15 into 2 whole square plus 15 into 3 whole square plus 15 into 4 whole square plus 15 into 5 whole square by 15 into 2 into 15 into 3 into 15 into 4 into 15 into 5 is equal to 15 square into 2 square plus 15 square into 3 square plus 15 square into 4 square plus 15 square into 5 square by 15 power 4 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 is equal to 15 power 2 into 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square by 15 power 4 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 is equal to 15 into 15 into 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 by 15 into 15 into 15 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 15 cancel 15 cancel is equal to 54 by 15 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 227 sir 2 1 sir 3 1 sir 3 9 sir 3 3 sir 3 5 sir 3 1 sir 3 5 sir is equal to 1 by 5 into 5 into 4 into 5 is equal to 1 by 500 is equal to 0.002.